Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Deepa. Welcome to my channel Together in Fun. Today I'm here to guide you through how to write a proper report. In this module, you will find what is a report, types of report, tips for writing a report, format, marking scheme, sample, and a situation where you need to prepare a report. What is a report? A report is a written composition, or in other words, we can say it is a prepared talk about a particular subject. It is a vivid expression of a personal experience on account of something heard, seen, or done meant to be published or broadcasted. The most common example is the news report we read in the newspapers every day. Now let's see what are the different types of reports. A newspaper report, a report about an event or function at school, institute or organization, a report about an accident or happening that you have witnessed, a report about an inquiry or survey. Usually, students are asked to write either newspaper reports or reports for school magazines. To manage time, here are certain tips to be followed while writing a report. Be factual and do not add any information on your own which may seem fictitious. Write in indirect speech and preferably in passive voice. Write in third-person form and avoid using pronouns like I, me, or you. Avoid imposing your personal opinions and do not make any conclusions. Answer the questions to when, where, why, what, who, and how. Now let's examine the format of a report. A report may include headline, byline, which is the name of the reporter, opening paragraph, details, and conclusive statement. Here is the marking scheme. Format, which includes headline, byline, date, and place, carries 1 mark. Content, that is, what, when, where, who, how the incident happened, carries 4 marks. Expression, which includes logical and relevant details without grammatical or spelling errors, carry 5 marks. Now here is a sample report. In this report, you can see the different components of a report marked in various colors. What did you observe? The headline of this report is short and is not a complete sentence. The name of the reporter is followed by date, place, and time of the incident. The entire report is broken down into paragraphs. In the first paragraph, the entire incident is reported in a gist form. The subsequent 2 paragraphs mention the other details related to the incident. The final paragraph contains the inconsequential details. The whole report is factual. The entire report is in the third person and is in passive voice. Now it's your turn. As a newspaper reporter, write a report of a train accident, the site which you visited. Your report should not exceed more than 200 words. Please be free to post in your reports. Looking forward for the same. If you like the content, hit the like button and share. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and enable the bell icon. Thank you.